Hey guys, I'm John with Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and one of the more common questions I get from my clients as they're looking at CNC machinery is how do I take my idea from concept to product when it comes to building kitchen cabinets? Recently, I interviewed Jesse with CabMaster Software, and he went through the flow from design, nesting, to G-code. Let's sit down together and see how it's done.
I'm Jesse Rickey with CabMaster Software, and today I'm going to go through how to create a vanity, and we're going to go straight from CabMaster all the way to the code, to the machine. So for this, CabMaster opens up into our drawing properties. I'm going to go ahead and click OK and dive right into the drawing itself. And for this example, we're actually going to use this vanity 2-drawer and 2-door. So if I double click to open up the vanity inside here, it gives me a little bit better angle into it, and I have a few different things that I can work with. First off, in the cabinet details itself, I'm actually going to come up here and I'm going to change these from my metal premium to my standard wood drawer. Okay, so as you can see over here on the right hand side, we are changing these on the fly. And over here, my toe kick, I have it here that I do have my toe kick on the bottom, and we can always modify that later, or we can take it off if we don't want them as well. Okay, however, inside my materials, there are a few different things that I want to take a look at. For instance, for my carcass, currently it's set up as 5/8 material, but for this one, I actually want 3/4. So all I'm going to do is come down here and say that I want 3/4 inch white melamine, and I'm going to go ahead and set this for all. Okay. The only other one I want to double check is inside my drawer standard. I actually want to set this as my panel as well, so that way we have the same material. Once I'm done with that, I'm simply going to exit out of this screen. It's going to take me back to the main screen, and now that I have a black cross with CabMaster, I'm simply just going to click on screen, and it's going to place my cabinet. Now, if I were to change anything else, I could also just double click it, open that cabinet back up, make changes as needed. However, for this one, we already have it on screen, and as you can see, we do not have to place it against a wall. For this one, if this is the one that I want to cut, I'm going to go ahead and simply just go directly into my machining tab. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and say export my machining. It's going to say, okay, these are my panels that I'm cutting. And let's go ahead and let's generate the nest. So what this is going to do is this is going to break down or flat pack the item, and it's going to nest everything, order it, toolpath it, and create the actual shelf and the carcass cuts as well. So if we were to take a look at that, that is actually in our configuration button. It's just saying that we are using the Legacy Maverick. There are 8 layers defined on here, and these are the tools. If we want to double check our setup, we can go in here to our tool changer, just make sure that we have the correct tools in the correct positions. That way we're ready to cut. So we have our 1/4 inch tool, our 5mm, and our 3/8 for this. If I take a look at where those files went, I can actually bring over that code and take a look at it. So if we take a look at, and sorry, I didn't see code. So there's our code for our machine. We're gonna go load it up and run our job. The beauty of it is you can customize it to your individual setup, and then it's literally just drag and drop, designing your cabinet as they come to life. So whether I'm doing a kitchen or closet, bringing them in, dragging and dropping, whether it's from the top or from the left hand side. It's very, very quick and very easy. You can also, like I said, see them in 3D, take a look at it, just make sure that they are what you're looking for, and then, like I said, hitting that magic button in order to create it to code is pretty awesome.
Man, Jesse made that look easy. Now, if you have any questions for what machine or what software might be right for you in your cabinet business, give us a call. It's 801-491-0010. We're built right here in Springville, Utah, USA. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.